how to change app icon color on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to teach you how to change the app icon color on iPhone in few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First things first, long press on any blank space of the home screen, and then you will see edit option on the top left. Tap on it and then tap on customize. Now go ahead and tap on tinted, and here you can choose the color according to your wish. So I want a pink shade, so I'll just drag the slider and choose the pink color. So you can choose any color of your wish and then just tap on any blank space, and there you go. This is how you change app icon color on iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.